Hi everybody, it's Franny.
And this is Heidi.
And this is Heidi and Franny's Garage, and we just came back from a Ferrari event. It was a Ferrari picnic. It was super fun. So I'm going to cut together a bunch of stuff for you. It's really just eye candy. I don't have much of a story, but it's going to be really fun to watch. Do you have a good time?
I had a great time.
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
Our gracious host also opened the door to his garages. Let's go take a look. I believe this to be a Jaguar XK140, maybe a 1955? And look what is next to it, a 1936 boat tail Auburn, just like the one we saw in our Clive Cussler video. I spotted something really special in the next garage. beautiful car. Another beautiful car. I like the color of that. Drive safely. If you enjoyed this video of the eye candy, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing and hitting the bell to be notified.
And if you have any questions or comments, please just go ahead and leave them down below and we'll get right to them. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time, safe travels.
Bye.